Eric here, Suntree Carpentry. Got a bad habit buying tools, keeping them in the box for at least 3 or 4 months before I use them. But today, decided to break this bad boy out. This new toolbox by FESTOOL. Show you guys what's up. Honestly, I don't know anything about it. It's got some pockets on the side here. Zipper. I guess you can put your business card here. The business card here. Your name on it. So everybody knows it's yours. Because when you show up on a job site, everybody's going to have one of these. Anyways, just messing with you. Just messing with your FESTOOL. Gotta have a Pica pencil. You don't know about that. That does not come with a bag, just so you know. My son can figure it out. Maybe you'll click on some link and buy this on Amazon too. Strap. Comes with a strap. I know nothing about this. Fancy hook though. Not bad. Handle. Glove. No, something to hold the drill. More about that later. Velcro. Pockets. Velcro. Put tools in there. You've had a cameraman, he zoom. I can tell you right now, I've owned the Milwaukee one, the Klein one, a bunch of square plastic box ones. It's pretty nice. Obviously, you like the hard bottom here. And for me, the thing is always grabbing the toolbox and going. So, being able to throw the drill on there, boom. I mean, when this is fully loaded, it'll be a nice handyman setup. I mean, $1,000 handyman setup, but a nice one. I had the big Milwaukee one, I sold that. So, all right, just wanted to let you guys check it out. I have Doobie Jr. post a more educational, thorough video with what all these holes and thingamajiggers are for. Maybe put some nice tools in here that I gave him that he hasn't used yet. All right, everybody, first FESTOOL video. Thanks for watching.